I've got a Singer 114 W103. The serial number is W1317603. Dates it to the 1950s. The table does not come with the machine, but I'm showing it in operating mode. It has some wear, but it's not too bad. I've already started the stitch, and I'm going to show you it in action. It's not the best lighting, but it'll work. You have to tolerate me on this pedal, because I'm not too. I don't use commercial machines all that often. There's a knob under the table for turning this, and I'll just make any kind of pattern, nothing particular. And you can see it goes pretty fast. But it is in working order. I'll show you my little zigzag stitch that I did. Lighting's not the best. Well, you can see it does embroidery stitch. It's a chain stitch machine. Sorry about this motion. And there's the back of the stitch. And there's the front. So it's a good working order. It comes with the feeder wire. I'll probably toss in some extra needles and such, and there you have it.